In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Zendesk effectively. Whether you're trying to find specific tickets, users, or articles, understanding the search functionality in Zendesk can greatly enhance your productivity and make managing customer interactions a breeze. So, let's dive in and walk through the straightforward steps to get the most out of Zendesk's search tool. To start, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Zendesk support interface. There, you'll notice a magnifying glass icon. This is your gateway to the search function. Clicking on this icon activates the search bar where you can enter the criteria for what you're searching for. The beauty of Zendesk's search functionality lies in its versatility. You can type in a variety of keywords, including ticket IDs, usernames, organization names, tags, or even custom field values. This broad range of search inputs allows you to be as specific or as general as needed, depending on the situation. Once you've entered your keyword or identifier, Zendesk will work its magic and display a list of matching results. This list can include tickets, users, organizations, and even relevant help articles. It's a powerful way to quickly access the information you need without having to sift through endless amounts of data manually. Let's say you're searching for a specific ticket. If there are a lot of results, it might still be a little overwhelming. But fear not, because Zendesk equips you with additional tools to refine your search. After your initial attempt, you'll notice that additional filter options become available. These filters are incredibly useful for narrowing down your results and pinpointing exactly what you're looking for. For instance, you can specify the type of item you're looking for, such as ticket, user, or article. If you're only interested in tickets, selecting the filter type. Ticket is a handy trick to streamline your results. Furthermore, you can filter by ticket status, such as open, pending, or solved, to focus on the tickets that are most pertinent to your current task. Another helpful filter involves using tags. If you've utilized tags like tag name on your tickets to categorize or label them, you can filter your search results accordingly. This means if you're looking for all tickets related to a specific issue or client, using the tag filter can zero in on those much quicker. To wrap it up, utilizing Zendesk's built-in search and filter functions can vastly improve how you navigate and manage your support tasks. Remember to click the magnifying glass to begin, enter your search keywords, and then employ any necessary filters to refine your results further. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully, these steps make your experience with Zendesk more efficient and effective.